Dodowa Forest fencing project halted after court injunction. Development work paused amid legal challenge. Dodowa, Greater Accra. A project to erect a perimeter fence around the Proverbial and historical Dodowa Forest, championed by the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Linda Obenewaa Akweley Ocloo, has been paused after an interlocutory injunction was reportedly served and placed on the newly constructed fence. The initiative, aimed at stemming ongoing encroachment and protecting the forest's tourist and historical assets, was underway when work stopped following legal order. The Dodowa Forest has been the focus of intensified government action since July 2024, when the area was declared a security zone, intended to stop further development and human activity after repeated encroachments by developers and others. That declaration and subsequent enforcement activity have been have included demolition of unauthorized structures inside the forest as security and forestry teams sought to reclaim protected land. Honorable Linda Ocloo, who doubled as Member of Parliament for Shai Osudoku and Greater Accra Regional Minister, had announced measures to protect sensitive sites in the area. That is, Dodowa Forest and other tourist sites within the Shai Osudoku district and the region at large. The fencing project was presented locally as part of those efforts to safeguard the forest from federal laws and to define its boundary for enforcement and conservation activities. According to witnesses at the scene, those opposing the project brought an interlocutory injunction from the Adentan High Court too, and pasted a copy of the order on the fence wall, prompting workers to cease further construction while matter is before the court. The injunction, described locally as interlocutory, is intended to preserve the status quo pending resolution of a substantive dispute about land ownership and rights. The court order itself was not publicly available online at the time of this report. The Dodowa Forest, home to the Chinku waterfall and other cultural sites, has seen repeated pressure from real estate development and other encroachment, which prompted calls from traditional authorities and RECSEC for urgent protective measures last year. Those calls led to a series of demolitions and increased monitoring by government agencies. Reported by Isaac Jimado and read by Madame Abigail.
I belong to Ike Soma. Mo was Soma. Watch your was Soma. Lo Wadalene. Ike Soma. Mo was Soma. Watch your was Soma. Lo Wadalene. Anime mini George. No Keman drama. Anime mini Joey Wam. No Keman drama. Nyane wa Pikaki. Kawe dangwe no. Swami kake pemio, emi ewange. Nyane wa pe kake, kawe dangwe no. Swami kake pemio, emi ewange. Mene menye tesi, monye menye ba. Mobi me chope, nye kenye womi. No feno ne taki, yawa monomio. Sika ne papwesi, more development. Kolia me dangwe, wasomo wama, jiloke manya, nyane wama pima, wama ne dangila, maya emio.